So today we're going to go over three different learning theories: constructivism, load theory of multimedia learning, and theory of multimedia learning, which are two different things. So first off, constructivism is basically just a paradigm or worldview that learning is an active and constructive process. So some key concepts about this is that it's kind of a contextualized process of constructing knowledge rather than acquiring it. So it's kind of like the whole learn by doing, and that it's based on personal experiences and kind of hypotheses of the environment. So that's really important, and definitely like the whole idea of like learning by doing. The second theory is load theory of multimedia learning, which basically was created by John Sweller, which describes the human cognitive architecture, which means that you need to apply sound to instructional design medias to just really help reinforce the learning that we're getting visually, which is really important and definitely has shown a lot. There are three different types of cognitive load: extraneous, intrinsic, and germane, which if you can see, and if you'd like to pause here, you can definitely read a lot more about. I'll scroll a little slowly so we can see. All right, and then this is a quick diagram of the cognitive theory of multimedia learning. Also, if you want to pause and look here. All right. And then finally, we have the cognitive theory of multimedia learning, which basically, again, in summary, is based on the fact that there are two separate channels, auditory and visual, for processing information. There's also limited channel capacity per those channels, and that learning is an active process of filtering, selecting, organizing, and interpreting information, which is something that we learn in a lot of our introduction to psychology classes. So, just kind of in summary, all three of these theories definitely play a part and have a lot of similar outlooks, which is really interesting, especially just considering the timing of all of them.